In this video, I want to show you how you can start using LinkedIn. You don't have to have a profile set up, just join LinkedIn in order to find businesses that are actively looking for NAM workflows that you have built or any kind of AI agent that you can sell. This is a list of thousands and thousands of companies that will potentially buy your AI agent from you. What I'm talking about is LinkedIn. Now, if you go over to LinkedIn and set up, then what you can do is one of their recommended actions is to get notified about jobs you're interested in. So what a lot of people will do is they'll create alert and they'll put in something like AI agent or NAN workflows or make or any keyword to do with AI automations. And then they'll sit and wait for jobs to come up and then they'll apply for them. And that's fine, but I have a much better method for you for using LinkedIn. See, what we're going to do instead is we're going to use the search feature within LinkedIn. So I've just gone into LinkedIn. I've typed in a phrase that relates to a job, but also to an NAM workflow. And again, like I said, this could be make, this could be string.com. You might even not have the workflow built yet. And I'll get onto where you can find a list of free workflows that you could sell in a second. But what we're doing is we're picking a particular job that could be replaced by an AI agent. So I put in here sales representative because we could easily build an AI agent that could do sales for a business, or at least part of the sales representative's job. So I put that in here and it's given me over 1,000+ results. Now you can change all of this. You can change the location. You can change when it was posted. You can change all sorts of things in order to filter this out. But as you can see, there's thousands and thousands of jobs for the term sales representative, and you can do this for any type of job. Then every single one of these businesses is looking for a sales representative. All you've got to do then is read through the profile and then find a AI agent that will fit exactly what they need and sell it to them. And the basic pitch is, why hire another sales representative for 60,000 a year plus commission when I'll build for you an AI agent that will help you gain back some of your sales representatives' time, so we can have them doing less admin. So we can take maybe 10 hours a week off the responsibilities, the admin that the sales rep has to do, meaning they have got more time to make calls. You don't need to make your team bigger. All you need to do is use these agents. So this video here, what I've done is I provided you with 300+ AI agents that you can go away and access for free. They're not all NAN, but what you can do is you can match the job listing to the agent. I also have built a tool that will go out and find even more than that. So if you are interested in accessing that, go down to the comments and put NAN template and I'll send you the link so you can use it. But what you're going to see if you go away and watch that video is places where you can find workflows that look just like this. And all you do is click on these, download the JSON, upload it to NAN, or reproduce it using Claude for make, something like that. And then you can sell these tools. So we've got a phone agent to qualify outbound leads. That might be able to save time for agents in one of these businesses. And it schedules inbound calls. This one here takes the call data processor and automates call analysis, which again is something that a sales agent would need to be doing, and therefore, because this is automatic, it tells the agent exactly what they need to be doing straight away. And you can sell multiple workflows just like this to businesses that have got a huge budget, and we know they've got a huge budget because they're paying in order to be able to get onto LinkedIn and show up near the top in order to be able to get more applicants. And we just write them an email that says, you know what, instead of hiring somebody, why don't you start building systems in your business, which means you need less people. And overall, that's going to be more cost effective and it's going to be more reliable. And you don't need to go away and go through the whole process of hiring someone else. I can just get a system working for you. Now, you can fully automate this entire thing. You can fully automate going to LinkedIn, scraping all of these, finding all the contact details that you need, matching up the workflow, and then producing the outreach to contact these businesses here and offering them automation over getting another employee. If you want us to do a follow-up video on that, just put LinkedIn outreach into the comments. And if I get enough interest, I can show you the full workflow that you can access that will do all of this for you. But if you're a beginner, I would recommend doing this manually because it's going to take you a little bit of time to set up the system. And by doing this manually, you're going to understand what you need to do. And then you can start doing the automated version of this when you're ready to scale. But doing it manually, first of all, is how I would start. And it doesn't matter where in the world you are, you can contact and target companies anywhere. They want a content creator, they want someone to help them with their outreach, with their sales, whatever it is, you can help them and you can find those businesses on LinkedIn. If you want to see another automation tool which will actually build you an AI agent from scratch, just using everyday language, and then it will go ahead and build the entire agent for you, watch the video on the screen now.